A legacy of luxury introducing Mercedes-Benz, Mercedes-Benz. Just saying the name conjures up images of sleek cars, powerful engines, and that unmistakable prestige. It's a brand synonymous with luxury, performance, and innovation. For over a century, Mercedes-Benz has been at the forefront of the automotive industry, setting benchmarks and captivating drivers worldwide. From the iconic S-Class to the sporty AMG line, Mercedes-Benz offers a car for every enthusiast. Whether it's a luxurious sedan, a powerful SUV, or a sleek coupe, each vehicle embodies the brand's commitment to quality and performance. But Mercedes-Benz is more than just beautiful cars. It's a legacy built on a foundation of engineering excellence, groundbreaking technology, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. In this guide, we'll delve into the captivating world of Mercedes-Benz, exploring its rich history, iconic models, and the innovations that continue to shape the future of driving. Buckle up, it's going to be a thrilling ride. From humble beginnings to global icon, a history of Mercedes-Benz. The story of Mercedes-Benz begins with an engine. In 1886, Carl Benz patented the first gasoline-powered automobile. The Mercedes name comes from Mercedes Jelinek. In 1926, Benz and Daimler merged, forming Mercedes-Benz. Iconic models like the S-Class, SL Roadster, and G-Wagon followed. From Formula One victories to record-breaking runs, Mercedes-Benz pushed boundaries. Legends on wheels, iconic Mercedes-Benz models. Over the decades, Mercedes-Benz has produced a remarkable lineup of cars, each leaving an indelible mark on automotive history. These models represent not only the evolution of the brand, but also the changing desires and aspirations of drivers worldwide. One such icon is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, a symbol of luxury and sophistication since its introduction in the 1950s. The S-Class has consistently set the standard for flagship sedans, showcasing the latest in comfort, technology, and safety features. For those seeking open-air thrills, the Mercedes-Benz SL Roadster has been a timeless icon of style and performance. From the legendary 300 SL Gullwing to the modern-day AMG variants, the SL continues to turn heads and deliver exhilarating driving experiences. And for those who crave adventure, the Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon, originally designed as a military vehicle, has become an unlikely status symbol, renowned for its rugged capability and go-anywhere attitude. These are just a few examples of the many iconic models that have cemented Mercedes-Benz's place in automotive history. Each one tells a story of innovation, craftsmanship, and a passion for pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Driving the future innovation and technology at Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive innovation, constantly seeking new ways to enhance the driving experience and shape the future of mobility. From pioneering safety features to developing cutting-edge powertrains, the brand's commitment to technological advancement is evident in every vehicle it produces. One area where Mercedes-Benz has truly excelled is in safety. The brand has a long history of introducing groundbreaking safety features, many of which have become standard equipment in cars across all categories. From the first anti-lock braking system, or ABS, to the development of electronic stability control, or ESC, Mercedes-Benz has consistently prioritized the well-being of its drivers and passengers. In recent years, Mercedes-Benz has been a leader in the development of autonomous driving technologies. Its Drive Pilot system represents a significant step towards self-driving cars, offering advanced driver assistance features that enhance safety and convenience on the road. Beyond safety, Mercedes-Benz is also at the forefront of powertrain innovation. From its efficient and powerful gasoline and diesel engines to its pioneering work in hybrid and electric vehicles, the brand is committed to offering sustainable and responsible mobility solutions for the future.